Ooh. Are you prepared for the sound of silence? It's pretty quiet, I think. Well. As I said, the sound of silence. I can't shift, man. I'm like so. Whoa! This is pretty quiet today. It's gonna be a quiet video. And you might wonder why. Well, that's because I just inspected this bike. And to make sure I passed, I put in a DB killer. And now the bike is really quiet. Now I go. Yeah, now it's no longer 50 here. I think the zoo is closed. I don't know, man. Do I have noise cancelling on my There's a lot of windows. I'm gonna have to stop to see if I have noise cancelling on. No, I don't, because I never put it on. Yeah, that's right. I need to stop. Stop there, but I didn't. Where? Yeah, I can hear myself a lot louder than I usually do. And that's not something that I like. So I need to stop ASAP. Man, no. God damn it. Alright, here we can turn right. And then we should be able to stop somewhere here. Maybe not right here after the intersection, you know, people come driving like crazy. They could hit me. And I've already had one close call today. I don't want another one. Alright, now I'm just gonna stop somewhere. Right here maybe. Yeah, I don't care if this is your driveway. I need to fix my sound. What? Apparently I had noise cancelling on. It doesn't sound like it though. Okay, so we're just heading into the boring county right now. How is this noise cancelling though? I wonder how much it would sound without noise cancelling. Or maybe it's just the fact that I'm used to hearing more engine or exhaust noise. So the wind noise takes over. Is that a thing? I don't know. Anyways. This is boring place. Montclair, yeah. I was a big flexor, she had a Montclair purse. And I'm actually gonna do something very crazy. I'm gonna do a U-turn, because I don't want to go this way. Seems boring. Yeah, she had a Montclair purse. She's a big flexor. Solstrålens förskola, the sunshine. The preschool of the sunshine, wait. The Sunshine's preschool. Yeah. Pretty neat, I would say maybe. I don't know. Damn, it's been a long time since I recorded a video. I'm starting to forget what I usually do. I need to think. What do I do? I know what I have to do now. I need to go gas station because I got very little gas. So I need to fill her up with some gas. Should have done that after my inspection, but I don't know, man. I got caught up in other stuff. That guy hasn't closed his truck properly. The ramp is still down halfway. Another stop sign. Stop. Yeah, I stopped.